version 4.4.0 software introduces a new arming feature, night arming. Similar to away mode arming, where typically all sensors are active, night arming will arm all sensors except for sensors programmed as night motion. Sensor Group 21, night motion, can be applied to motion detectors. This sensor group operates similarly to the popular Sensor Group 17, away instant motion, for motion detectors that you want to be automatically bypassed or ignored when arming in stay mode. The difference is that Sensor Group 21, night motion, is also bypassed or ignored in the night arming mode. This allows for users to arm the majority of their system while still allowing for movement near some motion detectors that would be typically located near bedrooms and staircases, allowing users to reach an IQ remote or panel for disarming purposes, or an upstairs bathroom in the middle of the night. To utilize night mode, program a motion detector with the night motion sensor group. To edit an existing sensor, go to Settings, Advanced Settings, and enter the installer or dealer code. Then choose Installation, Devices, and select Security Sensors. Then Edit Sensor. Now select an enrolled motion detector and tap the pencil icon to edit. Select the sensor group and choose 21 night motion in the drop-down list. Now save your changes and return home. Now that we have a night motion on the system, anytime we press the arming button on the IQ panel, IQ remote, or Alarm.com's user app, a night arming mode appears. This will arm all of the secure sensors on the system except for night motions.